trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. I see what you're doing. Ignoring that growing oil spot in your driveway is a huge mistake. Engine oil is essentially the blood of your vehicle, and without it, your car will in fact break down and ultimately stop running. So how are you gonna fix it? Well, BlueDevil Oil Stop Leak seals leaks permanently. It's non-clogging, safe, and it's really easy to use. Plus, it's compatible in both gas and diesel engines. It's guaranteed to permanently seal seeping or dripping oil leaks by repairing and reconditioning rubber seals throughout your entire oil system. It's a great universal solution for sealing leaking pinion seals, gear cases, refillable shock absorbers, gearboxes, axle seals, and gear differentials. The hard part repair is always going to be your best option. However, when your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment, you reach for BlueDevil Oil Stop Leak as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at gobdp.com.